What is TikTok sound removal and how does it work?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be diving into one of TikTok's innovative features, the sound removal tool. This tool enables creators to remove the original audio from their videos and replace it with something entirely different. It's a feature that empowers creators to further customize their content, and in this video, we'll explain how it works.
What is TikTok sound removal?
TikTok's sound removal tool is a feature that allows users to strip the original audio from a video clip. With this feature, users can remove any unwanted background noise, speech, or sound effects from their videos. This creates a clean slate for the user to add their own choice of music, sound effects, or voiceover, giving them more control over the final product. The sound removal tool is particularly useful for creators who want to add their own touch to the audio or want to completely transform the vibe of their videos.
How does TikTok's sound removal work?
The sound removal tool works through advanced audio processing algorithms and artificial intelligence (AI) technology. When a user opts to use the tool, the algorithm separates the original audio track from the visual part of the video. The original audio is then removed, leaving just the visuals. After the audio removal process is complete, the user is free to add new audio. They can choose from TikTok's vast library of music and sound effects, or even upload their own sound files. Furthermore, the tool also provides options for adjusting the volume of the new audio, enabling users to make it as loud or as subtle as they wish. Remember that the audio quality of the replacement sound can greatly affect the overall impact of your video. Therefore, it's recommended to use high-quality audio files whenever possible. TikTok's sound removal tool is a revolutionary feature that gives creators an even greater level of control over their content. By enabling the removal and replacement of original audio, TikTok is empowering its community to be more creative and to express themselves in new ways. Whether you're a seasoned TikTok creator or new to the platform, the sound removal tool is an excellent feature to try out. It might just be the tool you need to take your content to the next level. Happy creating!